Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a landing system in Roblox Studio. We will begin by exploring the essential concepts behind player movement and how to effectively monitor a character's state. This foundational knowledge is crucial for creating any dynamic player interaction. You will learn to identify when a player is in the air versus on solid ground, setting the stage for our custom landing mechanics. To detect if a player is airborne or has landed, we will leverage the humanoid state changed event. This powerful tool allows us to monitor transitions between states like freefall and landed. Additionally, a precise raycast, extending approximately 3 studs downwards from the player's feet, will confirm ground contact. This combination provides robust and reliable state detection for our system. Once a landing is detected, we will implement the mechanics. Consider applying a small upward impulse, perhaps a force of around 100 newtons, to create a soft landing sensation. You might also briefly reduce the player's walk speed by about 1/5 for a moment. Crucially, a debounce system, active for approximately 0.2 seconds, will prevent the landing effect from triggering multiple times during a single impact. The final step involves rigorous testing and refinement. Experiment with different fall heights, from short jumps to long drops, to ensure the system behaves as expected. Tweak the applied forces and timing values until the landing feels perfectly natural and responsive. Aim for a smooth, consistent experience across all game scenarios, making sure your landing system enhances player immersion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.